Hello Calc 2 class. In this video we are continuing with the problem that we were working in the last video, where we were examining the convergence of this series 1 over 2 to the n minus n. And we had found a good comparison, but the comparison pointed the wrong way for the basic comparison test. So then we switched to the limit comparison test, which doesn't care which one is bigger, and took the ratio. And the way the limit comparison test works is if you take that ratio and it doesn't tell you, and it doesn't turn out to be 0 or infinity, then either both series converge or both series diverge. I was in the process of working out this limit. This one is infinity over infinity form, so to work it out, we would have to, because that's an indeterminate form, we'd have to use L'Hopital's rule. So we're going to take the limit as x goes to infinity of x over 2 to the x. And because it's infinity over infinity form, L'Hopital's rule says that I can instead take the derivative of the top and the derivative of the bottom. Now the derivative of x is 1, and derivative of 2 to the x is 2 to the x times the natural log of 2. 1 is 1, natural log of 2 is natural log of 2, they're just numbers. But the 2 to the x is a function that gets bigger and bigger for larger and larger values of x. In other words, it goes to infinity. So you just get 1 over infinity, and that's 0. So that's just this part of it. So what I found out was that the limit as n goes to infinity of a sub n over b sub n is just 1 minus 0 or 1. And according to the limit comparison test, since that's not 0 or infinity, then either both series converge or both series diverge. Okay. So what did I compare it to? Well, we already worked out that the other one converges because it's geometric. So series from 1 to infinity of 1 over 2 to the n minus n converges by limit comparison test with just 1 over 2 to the n. Okay. So the only other thing I'll add to this expression, this section, is P series and geometric series are going to be used the most when you're looking for comparisons. So keep that in mind. Those are two of the most useful series facts you can have when you're trying to do the comparison tests. All right, that's it for 11.4. See you later.